G'day cunts, how you going? Hope you had a good, beautiful day. Today I'm going to talk about Australians and their swearing. So, how you going today? I hope your day is a beautiful day and you enjoy it with your family. So, anyway, Australians like to swear. And our favourite word is, obviously, fuck, cunt, piss, dickhead, dick. So we can use these in a few ways. So to greet someone, you say, "G'day, cunt, how you going?" Or you could say, "G'day, dickhead, how you going?" Or you could say, "G'day, motherfucker, how you going?" And these are all polite terms. You are actually insulting a person, but you're saying it in a nice way. So, "G'day, cunt, how you going?" I've said, use this word cunt in another video and I've explained it there. So we swear a lot. It's an actual yobbo thing to do. Like, oh, where are we going to fucking go today, mate? Your mate goes, oh, I don't fucking know, cunt. Maybe we should go over to Macca's and have a fucking hamburger or some shit. Oh, fuck yeah, that's a fucking ripper thing to do, you cunt. So, that is a simple sentence on how true Australians actually talk. None of your snobby shit. Oh, what shall we do today? I do not know. Nah, that's fucking shit. You can go fuck yourself. So, Australians, we like to swear in a sentence, and on this channel, I'll show you how to do it slowly, so you get used to it. And have a bonza day, mate. Hooroo.